Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is identifying parallel lines. Previously students we identify the parallel lines, previously we have identified the perpendicular lines, and today we are going to identify the parallel lines, okay. Uh, uh, Today we are going to find the difference between parallel lines and perpendicular lines. In perpendicular lines, students, I told you the lines which are crossing to each other, जो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करते हैं वो कौन सी होती हैं? At one point by making the L shape or right angle, that was your perpendicular lines. But today we are going to find out the parallel lines. Parallel lines कौन सी होती हैं students? Those lines that will never meet in those lines that will never meet to each other at any point, जो एक दूसरे को बिल्कुल भी मीट नहीं करेंगी. They are just going to move in the same direction. Okay, for example, you can see in our table we have a first line that is a straight line, and second line is also a straight line that is moving parallel to the first line. Okay, they are not meeting at any point, so it means these two are parallel lines. In television set you can see the first line, this is the first line, and this is also the straight line that is moving along the first line. जैसे जैसे first line move कर रही है, that is also moving, so it means these two lines are parallel lines. Question 2, two lines perpendicular to the same line are called parallel lines. Okay, अब यहाँ पे आप देखें students, A B and C D. Okay, A B is parallel to C D. Even we have seen their perpendicular lines here, बिकॉज यहाँ पे उन्होंने बिल्कुल यहाँ पे एक सेंटर में एक लाइन ड्रॉ करके इसको एल शेप राइट एंगल बना दी है. सो वी कैन सी दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, बट वी आर फाइंडिंग हेयर पैरेलल लाइन्स. ए बी इज पैरेलल टू सी डी, and in this question you can see EF is parallel to GH. Okay, move to the next page. Students, now I will tell you there is also a sign of parallel lines. जैसे आपको पता है perpendicular lines का साइन भी था, opposite T उल्टा T था. इसी तरह parallel lines के लिए क्या होगा, हम इस तरह की two lines जो है वो लगाएंगे. It means parallel lines. This sign shows that this is parallel line. AB is parallel to CD. Whenever we are going to write it, AB is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to GH. Okay, in this question students, we have three different lines. We can write it like that. PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, then RS is parallel to TU. Okay, and then this TU is parallel to PQ. Okay, we can write it like that. Question 4, AB and AC are not parallel lines. Yes students, can you tell me AB is parallel to AC? No, because they are meeting at point A. हालांकि हमें पता है कि पैरेलल लाइंस में कोई भी जो है वो लाइंस मीट नहीं करती किसी भी पॉइंट पे. सो इट मीन these are not parallel lines. Okay, MN and PQ are also not parallel lines. Do you know why? Since you can see, हालांकि ये बिल्कुल straight तो नहीं खैर जा रही, they are not meeting at any point. But students, because these two lines are not straight lines, okay, they are not moving with the same distance. इनमें जो है वो same distance नहीं है. ये देखिए, ये यहाँ से थोड़ी सी टर्न कर गई है, ये यहाँ से थोड़ी सी स्लाइटली हमारी जो बाहर चली गई. दैट्स वाई दीज आर नॉट पैरेलल लाइंस. पैरेलल लाइंस क्या होंगी, हमेशा जो है वो स्ट्रेट होंगी विद द सेम डिस्टेंस. Okay, move to the next page students. We are going to attempt page number 262. Okay, by yourselves how you can do it. Name the parallel lines. Okay, यहाँ पे आपने parallel lines देखनी है. We have two pairs here. SG is parallel to VU and SV is parallel to TU, क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं straight lines with the same distance हैं. Again in question B we have three sets of parallel lines. EF is parallel to GH, GH is parallel to IJ, and IJ is parallel to EF. Question 2, explain why A, B and CD are not parallel lines. Students, again वैसा ही question आ गया हमारे पास. These are not parallel lines because they are not moving with the same distance. Okay, in question B, why WX and YZ are not parallel lines? Because they cross to each other at this point. It means these are not parallel lines. Question 3, identify and name the parallel lines. Okay students, very easy, you can find here. EF is parallel to HG. Students, ज़रूरी नहीं है, ये देखें थोड़ा सा H और G जो है ये वाली लाइन इस वाली EF वाली लाइन से थोड़ी सी ग्रेटर है, बट दे आर मूविंग विद द सेम एंड स्ट्रेट डिस्टेंस. ओके, थोड़ी सी बड़ी हो सकती है लाइन, बट दे शुड मूव इन द सेम डायरेक्शन विद द सेम डिस्टेंस. सो EF इज पैरेलल टू HG. PQ ये देखिए छोटी है एंड RS थोड़ी सी बड़ी है, but no problem, these are parallel lines. PQ is parallel to RS. In this way you are going to find out parallel lines in question C as well by yourselves. Come to page number 263, students. Very easy. You have to attempt this page by yourself because this is very easy. You can find parallel lines in alphabets as well, and here are some pictures. You will put the tick of the boxes whether they are parallel lines, whether they have parallel lines or not. Okay, please attempt this page by yourself. Thank you so much, students. Allah Hafiz.